How long does a 1.5 meter pendulum take to make one complete cycle? Well, okay, so I have a length equal to 1.5 meters. And I know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth. The thing that I'm looking for is period, and that's in seconds. And period equals 2 pi times the square root of L over G. So period equals 2 pi times the square root of, in this case, L is 1.5 meters divided by 9.8. I'm going to start with this mathematics first. Period equals 2 pi times the square root of 0.1530612. Next, I will solve that. I get period equals 2 pi times 0.391230, and then all of it all together. Period equals 2.458173 seconds. Here's the thing. Let's make it a little prettier. 2.46 seconds.